In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a shade or a device. We're in the home zone screen, so let's click on the home tile. Now what will happen is we'll click on the top right hand corner plus button. The app will now search for remote control Bluetooths. Select the remote control that you want to connect. In this instance, it's MGS JAS711370. You can find this number on the back of your remote control. Name your awning. You can select drop shade, retractable awning or other. Let's make it window awning. Serial number is optional. Company purchase from is where you bought your product. After you've filled in all the fields, press connect. The app will now search for the Bluetooth and it will come up on a tile. Let's click on that tile to connect to the remote control. The app is now connecting to the remote control and you can see it's connected, and now you can press up, stop, down or the light button. If you want to go out of the remote control, press the top left icon. Additionally, you can add more remote controls by pressing the plus button. And we can add more remote controls here. If you would like to delete the tile or the remote control, swipe to the left and you can delete that tile.